Hey fellas, I am back with another video, and in this video I just want to tell you about one more YouTuber or influencer or podcaster. I think I don't know the correct name. I think podcast would be good name. And he's very world's biggest podcaster. Some people say, and he's a very famous man, a very famous comedian. Also, he's fighter and commentator for UFC. Not fighter for UFC, but commentator for UFC. He was former fighter. He was a black belt in kickboxing. Like it is like boxing, but with the kicks. Uh, and he retired, and he was also TV star. And I said already comedian, that is his profession. He's a comedian by profession. And the name you might have guessed is Joe Rogan, or Joe Hogan. Brazil they call him Joe Hogan. Yeah, but the other part they call Joe Rogan. So wherever you are in the world, you can call him Joe Rogan or Joe Hogan or simply JRE. And his name of his program is Joe Rogan program on YouTube. And it is a very good program. But let me tell you guys, let me tell you something. First, let me tell you about Joe Rogan. So, like I said, he's a very, very famous comedian, a very funny man, and he was in the beginning in the 90s. He was a host of a TV show called Fear Factor, a very good show on TV. I used to watch. But that show, it was some challenges that were really that needed you to be daring, brave boy or girl. There were boys and girls in that show, and they would do different challenges, and whoever completed those challenges would win the show. But some were daring, like riding bicycle on a rope in a high elevation, or doing something like I don't know, something dangerous, like with heights or with the fire or something. I don't know, I don't remember. But the other challenges were quite like disgusting challenges, like eating a snail or cockroaches, something disgusting. I don't think that was a fear, that was disgust. More should have been called not fear factor, disgust factor in some of those. But that is part of the show. But he was a very good host, very good. And then he did some TV series, comedy series also, and he also was a comedian. And Joe Rogan is a very talented man, I must say. He had hair back in the day, but now he's bald. But he's very talented. I have seen one clip of him where he showed his sketching or drawings. It was just in like a drawing book, and he had made some sketches as a young boy, and very good sketches, like not normal, beyond the capability of a normal man. You have to be talented to be able to draw like that. These things don't get talked about, so I'm telling you guys. So listen, let me tell you about another one of his talents. And these videos are easy to find on YouTube. So of Joe Rogan playing pool, a very talented pool player. I'm sure if he was in any town, a normal town, he would be the best pool player. And unless there were professional pool player in that city, Joe Rogan is a very, very, very good pool player. He can run racks and play positions and all that stuff. He spin the ball, bank shot, everything he knows. A very good player in pool. Also, like I said, he's kickboxer, which is boxing with kicks, and he was black belt or something in that. And he was a winner. He has one clip of him where he knocked out other guy, and then he retired because I think he was not he got tired of it. We thought it was very rough sport or brutal sport. He felt bad for the other guy. I think he retired. Some story like that. I'm not sure. This is just what I know. And what some of these some may be just rumor or speculation. So I'm not saying that everything is 100% accurate, but I'm just saying what I've seen. And what else is talent? Comedy he does, TV show he does, good actor, good artist, good martial artist also. Fighting he does. He also very good bow and arrow marksman. He does bow hunting, and he kill big animals with his bow and arrow, and then he eats them. Oh, and then so this is about Joe Rogan. Also, let me tell you, he's got very muscular body, very, very good muscle, and he's about 5 feet 8 inches tall, I think. and also he's UFC commentator and very big, and I was telling you about his show Joe Rogan program on YouTube. It is very big podcast, a lot of subscriber and lot of people come to his show. So Joe Rogan also is a very interesting. His brain is very curious type of brain he's got, and he invites all kinds of people on his show, different backgrounds, different values, different political views, or different sports, comedians, actors, activists, doctors, all it's a big variety of people he has on his show, and he talks to them, and it is good, so very captivating. And there is one guy named Jamie Vernon. He's the producer, and he does he's like Joe Rogan assistant in some sense, and he's producer. He does all the editing and sound and other arrangements in the studio. So it is a very good team. And Joe Rogan is a pioneer also of some sort, because he was among the first people. I would not say he was the inventor of podcasting or long format talks interviews, but he got that idea from someone, and he invited certain guests. He did something about it, and he invited certain guests which were very interesting, and his show program grew into one of the biggest programs in the world now. And now he's a very popular, very rich guy. So he worked hard, he paid his dues, he did very well for himself, and it is something that he enjoyed doing, so it must have been easy for him. But and some people and sometimes I'm also jealous of him. I wish my podcast was as big as his, but I have hardly 30 subscriber. He has million subscriber. So some people are jealous of him also. Sometimes I'm also jealous of him, but and some people make fun of him, criticize him, but it is all good. He is good man. And what was I going? So yes, so some of the topics he covers in his program are his favorite topics are hunting and martial arts and comedy and aliens, supernatural, and those kinds of things. And then he also talks to people during COVID. He talked to a lot of doctors and a lot of scientist kind of people also. And his big focus on fitness, and he promotes he talks about good lifestyle, living a good healthy lifestyle, which is very good for young people and also old people, and men and women both. And then he lived in California earlier, but then after COVID, during COVID, because of restrictions, he moved out of California. I don't know where he lives now, but he does not live in California. What else can I tell you about his show? It is very interesting, so you must watch it. He made many people famous, people like Graham Hancock and Randall Carlson. And Graham Hancock, in the beginning, I liked his whatever research he was doing. He was when he old videos of him on Joe Rogan. That was what got me interested in Joe Rogan podcast. For sure, guys like Randall Carlson, Graham Hancock, and there is one guy, Jeffrey Spock or some Speck or some name, similar name. And then he had Michael Shermer. They were all discussing and they were debating old civilizations. So that was a very interesting topic for me at that time. And yeah, and then he has people like from former military people like Tim Kennedy, Jocko Winning, David Goggins, these guys, and hunters came. I don't know what his name is, something, Cameron Hayes or someone like that. They all go hunt with bow arrow. He has comedians like Ari Safer and Brendan Schaub, great comedian, on his show. And sometimes they just drink and smoke and shoot, sit, but other times they talk about UFC, and then they watch UFC for like a fight companion when it is outside of America, when Joe Rogan doesn't cover. I must tell you that Joe Rogan is an announcer for UFC. and a commentator, and he's got very good knowledge of fighting, so he is very good announcer, and sometimes he's over exaggerates, or just over is not required, just exaggerates what's going on, and just to hype up the fight. Like he used to say back in the day that Ronda Rousey would beat up men like Floyd Mayweather, and then we all saw as soon as Ronda Rousey or Honda Rousey faced a man, she lost. No, I mean, sorry, she faced Amanda, she lost. So, but Joe Rogan exaggerated. I also remember Khabib versus LA Conta. Khabib was beating up that guy, and Joe Rogan was hyping up LA Conta, saying that LA Conta was having success against Khabib. That was a funny commentary for me, because Khabib was punching his face and making LA Conta nose bleed. But yes, so the point of this video was I just want to tell you about Joe Rogan. I'm sorry you have heard of him, but he's one of the great podcasters in YouTube. So you must go and watch his channel, and also watch my channel, and subscribe to my channel. I make very good videos, and I'll make more videos for you later today. So it is morning time now. I will go for breakfast. It is cloudy sky, but a good Sunday morning, and I hope you are having good Sunday morning. And yeah, talk to you guys later. Okay, guys. Okay. What should I say? Joe Rogan podcast. What was that? Train by day, Joe Rogan podcast by night. All day.